What do you do with your Moqui stones? We have different rituals you can do with your Moqui stones for everyday healing. My name is Sheila Sat, and I'm the co-owner here, along with my sister Lisa, at the Satin Crystals Boutique. And today we're going to go over 5 different rituals for your Moqui marbles, and then you can find even more at Satin Crystals. Balance your yin and yang energy with male and female Moqui marble pairs. So this ritual is great if you have one male Moqui and one female. You want to place the male in your dominant hand. I'm right-handed, so I will hold it in my right hand, and the female in the non-dominant hand. For me is the left hand. Better yet, you'll also have a pair at your feet. So you'll put the male under your right foot and the female under your non-dominant foot. If you are lying down, just bend your knees and place your feet lightly over the pair. If you are standing up, make sure you have a soft surface underneath you, as you don't want to crush the Moqui stones with your full weight. Once you are all set up, just close your eyes, breathe deeply, and allow the energies of the Moqui stones to balance your energy. The male Moqui stone is pulling you down to the earth, and the female is lifting you up to the sky. So imagine that your spine is fully aligned and that the core of your body is being balanced by male, female energies, by yin, yang energies, and by earth and sky. And just close your eyes, allow yourself to be balanced for however long you want. Breathe free and deep. Imagine just your body is like a scale and you are in perfect alignment. And this ritual can be done anytime, at home or on the go. These Moqui marbles are very portable. This is a larger set at 2 inches. You can also get a 1-inch set. So they are perfect whenever you feel out of sorts and you need some balancing. Learn the secrets of the past with your Ancestor Moqui stones. The Ancestor Moqui set represents your connection to past generations, and with the help of these stones, you can release past traumas that are still holding you back today. If there is no particular trauma that you are working on, you can listen in and gain wisdom from past generations by channeling with the Moqui stones. So what you want to do is place the 3 Moqui stones in the palms of your hand, or place them at your root chakra. If you have access to a spiritual hypnotherapist, have them do a past life regression with you, and you will hold on to the Moqui stones during the session. If you are skilled in hypnotherapy yourself, you can do a self-hypnosis session, use the Moqui stones to go back into your past. If you are not familiar with hypnotherapy, you can do meditation with the 3 stones. Hold on to the stones, have them at your root chakra, and access the past generations, the wisdom that they have. Learn to let go of your rigid thoughts and move forward in this life. All the people who have gone before you, even the Moqui stones here, have been here for millions and millions of years. It all is lessons that you need to learn in this current life. So learn to quiet your mind, hold on to your stones, and access the wisdom and knowledge that they possess. Aromatherapy and grounding with Moqui Jewelry. So instead of letting your day slip away in chaos or boredom, have Moqui marble jewelry to remind you to live life to its fullest. These Moqui stones are very tiny. They're natural, undrilled, and secured in cages so that the energy can still flow in your aura. And when you do have the Moqui jewelry on, whenever you're feeling stressed or bored or angry, just take a minute and ground your energy with the Moqui stones, and it'll remind you to calm down, take a deep breath, and enjoy life, which is why you're here in the first place. So you can wear these jewelries as bracelets, as necklaces, as earrings. They are comfortable to wear all day long. Additionally, you can also place your favorite essential oil onto the porous stone, and it'll provide an aromatherapy and a comfort to your aura and those around you as well. 5 element healing with Moqui star layout. In this set, you get 5 Moqui marbles, each representing one of the 5 major elements. So you'll have the wood, the fire, the earth, metal, and water. And these represent a universal healing energy. What you want to do is lie in a star pattern. So stretch out comfortably, your limbs stretched out, either on the bed, on the ground, or better yet, on the earth, in the sand or in the grass. And you'll have 1 Moqui marble at your crown chakra, top of your head, 1 each in your hand, and 1 each at your feet. Close your eyes, relax, breathe deeply, and imagine a star shape flowing through your body, touching each of the elements and infusing yourself with the energy of the elements. At the wood, you'll feel a calming energy. With fire, you'll feel passion. With earth, you'll feel grounding, and the metal, you'll feel innovation, and with the water, you'll feel cleansing energy. So allow all of these energies to charge up your own energy forever, however long it takes. Once you are fully charged, send some of this energy back to the earth. Imagine that star pattern that has been circulating through you, sinking deep within the earth's core, and helping to nourish the planet, which is much needed right now. So there's 5 Moqui stones after your ritual can be held, kept with you so that you can continually feel the elements, or you can place them on the earth or bury them in the sand and help the earth heal meanwhile as well. Attract soulmates with Moqui twins. These Moqui twins grew naturally together from the beginning, and they vibrate with a magnetic power of attraction. To use the Moqui twins in attracting your soulmates, first thing you want to do is clarify what kind of soulmate you are seeking. For example, maybe you're looking for a romantic companion, maybe a best friend, maybe a business partner. Let the universe know and let the Moqui stones solidify your desires. Then hold 1 twin in each hand and recite your positive affirmations so that you can manifest the person you are looking for. Once you have recited all of your manifestations, the non-dominant hand, which is the left hand for me because I'm right-handed, the non-dominant hand Moqui will be broadcasting the signal out to the universe. The dominant hand twin will be pulling your soulmate to you. Now you want to do this as many times as you can, once a day. This is how the law of attraction works, and the Moquis will help you in this manifestation. Once you are done with your ritual, you can keep the twins somewhere where you would want the soulmate to appear. For example, if you're looking for a romantic companion, you can place the twins at your bedstand. For a best friend, maybe a coffee table. For a business partner, maybe in your office, on your desk. And whenever you see them sitting there, you will also be reminded of your goals, and you will be broadcasting it from your mind as well. So those are 5 powerful Moqui rituals you can use right away. We have even more rituals for you at Satin Crystals, including the Three Sisters set and the Family Moqui set that you can find at Satin Crystals on our Moqui ritual page. While you're there, sign up for the VIP club for members only specials throughout the year. You'll also learn a lot more about Moqui marbles and all the different crystal healing gemstones of the world. As always, thank you for your positive energy at Satin Crystals.